Have you ever wondered how the technology behind oil transport trucks has evolved over the years? Well, buckle up. We're about to take a thrilling ride through history. In the early days of the oil industry, around the mid-19th century, transporting oil was a rather crude affair. Picture this: barrels filled to the brim with black gold, hitched to horse-drawn wagons. A scene straight out of a vintage Western movie, isn't it? But that was the reality. Oil was painstakingly drilled, collected in barrels, and then carted off by horses to the nearest refinery or shipping point. It was a slow and laborious process, fraught with risks of spillage and contamination. As the turn of the 20th century approached, a new player entered the scene: the motorized vehicle. The invention of the internal combustion engine was a game changer, providing a faster and more efficient means of transport. However, this transition wasn't all smooth sailing. The early motorized oil transport vehicles were rudimentary at best, with limited capacity and a high risk of leaks. Imagine navigating rough terrain with a truck loaded with heavy, leak-prone barrels. Not a journey for the faint-hearted, certainly. Moreover, the lack of proper road infrastructure and unpredictable weather conditions posed significant challenges. Yet these were the teething troubles of a nascent industry, and with each hurdle, the technology evolved, becoming more refined, more efficient. The mid-20th century saw the introduction of specialized tanker trucks. These vehicles, designed specifically for transporting liquids, heralded a new era in oil transport. With their large cylindrical tanks and improved suspension systems, these trucks could carry vast quantities of oil over long distances with minimal risk of spillage. So we've seen the humble beginnings of oil transport. Now let's delve into the more modern advancements. As technology advanced, so did the oil transport trucks. The dawn of the 21st century saw a wave of innovation that redefined the way we transport oil. This period heralded the rise of modern oil transport trucks, characterized by their enhanced engines, improved tank designs, and advanced safety features. Let's start with the engines. The need for greater power and efficiency led to the development of engines with enhanced performance. These modern engines, equipped with turbochargers and advanced fuel injection systems, provided the needed torque to haul large loads over long distances. They also improved fuel efficiency, reducing the cost of oil transport. Next, we have the evolution of tank designs. Initially, oil tanks were simple cylindrical containers. However, the modern era introduced the concept of compartmentalization, allowing a single truck to transport different grades of oil. These tanks also featured improved materials, such as reinforced steel and aluminum, which increased durability while reducing weight. This innovation not only maximized the payload, but also contributed to fuel efficiency. But what about safety? Well, the modern era didn't overlook that. It brought about enhanced safety features like anti-lock braking systems and stability control, designed to prevent accidents. It also introduced advanced monitoring systems that could detect potential issues, like leaks or mechanical failures, before they became critical. This proactive approach greatly improved the safety of oil transport. The impact of these advancements was profound. Oil transport became not just faster, but also more cost-effective. The ability to transport different grades of oil in one trip reduced the number of journeys needed, saving both time and money. And let's not forget the improved safety, which reduced the risk of accidents and oil spills. With these advancements, oil transport became more efficient and safer. But the evolution didn't stop there. The relentless march of technology continues to shape the future of oil transport, as we'll see in the next segment. Enter the digital age, a time when technology took a giant leap forward. The digital age, ladies and gentlemen, has not left the oil transport industry behind. In fact, it has revolutionized it. Remember the days when we had to rely on printed maps and the driver's intuition? Those days are long gone. Today, global positioning system or GPS tracking is as integral to oil transport trucks as the engine itself. It provides real-time location updates, enables efficient route planning, and even helps in monitoring driving habits. The result? Reduced fuel consumption, less idle time, and improved delivery times. But the digital transformation didn't stop at GPS tracking. Enter the world of automated driving systems. Imagine a truck that can navigate a complex network of highways, manage speed, and even take over the wheel when the driver is fatigued. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. This is the reality of today's oil transport trucks. Advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS, are becoming increasingly commonplace. These systems use sensors and cameras to monitor the truck's surroundings, alerting the driver to potential hazards and even intervening when necessary. The digital era has also ushered in the age of telematics. This technology combines telecommunications and informatics to provide insights into vehicle health, fuel efficiency, and even driver behavior. With telematics, fleet managers can monitor their trucks in real time, enabling proactive maintenance and reducing downtime. And let's not forget about the Internet of Things, or IoT. IoT devices are transforming oil transport trucks into smart vehicles. From tire pressure monitoring systems to electronic logging devices, these connected devices are providing a wealth of data that can be used to enhance safety, efficiency, and reliability. And so, as we continue to ride the wave of digitalization, we find ourselves in an era where oil transport is becoming more streamlined, more efficient, and yes, more sophisticated. The digital age brought a revolution in oil transport, making it more efficient, safe, and reliable. So, what does the future hold for oil transport trucks? In the ever-evolving world of technology, the future of oil transport trucks is as bright as a trucker's high beams on a moonless night. The road ahead is paved with advancements that could revolutionize the industry. Firstly, we have to talk about automation. Self-driving technology is making a big splash in the automotive world, and the trucking industry is no exception. Imagine a fleet of oil transport trucks navigating highways and byways without the need for a human driver. This could increase efficiency, reduce human error, and make our roads safer. But it's not just about who or what is behind the wheel. The trucks themselves are set to undergo a transformation. We're talking about alternative fuels here. As the world moves towards cleaner, more sustainable energy sources, oil transport trucks will likely follow suit. Imagine trucks powered by hydrogen fuel cells or electricity from renewable sources. Not only could this reduce the industry's carbon footprint, but it could also lead to cost savings in the long run. And what about safety features? They've come a long way since the days of simple seatbelts and airbags. Future oil transport trucks could be equipped with advanced systems like automatic braking, collision avoidance, and even health monitoring for drivers. These features could help prevent accidents and save lives. But let's not forget about the oil itself. Innovations in oil storage and transportation could make the process more efficient and less prone to spills. This could involve everything from smart sensors that monitor oil levels and temperature, to materials that make tanks stronger and more resistant to leaks. So as you can see, the future of oil transport trucks is as exciting as a cross-country road trip. With advancements in automation, alternative fuels, safety features, and oil storage technology, the industry is gearing up for a major overhaul. The future of oil transport truck technology promises to be exciting and full of new advancements. So, we've taken a journey from the past to the future of oil transport truck technology. Let's have a quick recap of our adventure, shall we? We began with the humble origins of oil transport, where barrels were the primary means of moving this precious resource. It was a time-consuming and labor-intensive process, but it was the best we had. The shift from these rudimentary methods to mechanized transport was a game-changer, opening up new possibilities and changing the face of the oil industry forever. Then we moved on to the rise of modern oil transport trucks. These aren't just vehicles, they're marvels of engineering designed to safely and efficiently transport vast amounts of oil across great distances. We saw how these trucks have evolved over time, becoming more sophisticated, more reliable, and more efficient. We then dived into the digital revolution that's sweeping the oil transport industry. We're now in an era where digitalization is playing a pivotal role in streamlining operations and reducing inefficiencies. Sophisticated software programs enable real-time tracking, route optimization, and predictive maintenance, making the entire process smoother and more efficient. Finally, we peered into the crystal ball to look at the future of oil transport trucks. With advancements in technology, the sky's the limit. We're talking about autonomous trucks, electric propulsion, and even advanced AI systems for predictive analysis and decision-making. It's an exciting time to be in the industry, and we can't wait to see these innovations materialize. In essence, the journey of oil transport truck technology is a story of constant evolution and innovation. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of efficiency and safety. From barrels to autonomous trucks, We've come a long way, and yet the journey is far from over. The evolution of oil transport truck technology is a testament to human ingenuity, and we can't wait to see what the future holds.